Alright, here's a challenge for you. We want you to draw any triangle, right? Make one of these angles 60, as you see here, another 70, and this one 50. Then, what I'd like you to do is draw a line segment with two segments, and one point will be anchored on this vertex, right? And then what I'd like you to do is set this angle to half that angle, 30. Same thing over here. You make a line segment, right, that passes through this vertex and the opposite side. Make it two segments, and this is going to be coincidental. This point coincidental with one of the points on the segment. And then make this one 35, half. This is basically an angle bisector, right? Same thing over here. And then, so do that. And then what I'd like you to do, when you finish that, I'd like you to, I'm going to measure the distance to see if this is the centroid. And again, the centroid is defined as if the perpendicular distance from this point to each side is the same, that's the centroid. So let me measure that. I'm going to get the construction line here, and I'm going to draw a line from this center, from where they meet, to this line, right? And I'm going to make that perpendicular, right? So this is perpendicular right here to this line, right? So I'm going to measure this, D, and this is 30.757. Okay, try it again, D. I guess I'll go over here, 30.757. I'm going to do the same thing on this one. I'm going to get a line, construction, and I'm going to draw any line right here to that edge. I want to make it perpendicular to this line segment, and then I'm going to measure D. And if you'll notice, it's 30.757 also. So you see, if you do the other one too, you'll see that this is the centroid of this triangle.